Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Ali and I am a electrical engineering student and you are watching Learn It. And today we start the digital logic design. We start our digital logic design from a online simulator. You open your browser here and search Circuitverse verse and enter. You see here it is a open a online result here. Click on the simulator. Wait a minute. And here you see our Circuitverse is open. It is an online simulator which you use on your PC and also on your laptops. Here you see it is giving the tips of what is the element here and display. Go close. We are just display discard this area. After that, first you see the design of the Circuitverse here. It is showing the circuit elements which you show it here input, output, gate, decoder, multiplexer, and sequential element and other element. And you see here properties here. So you want to log in and save your data online, you have to log into your circuit bus from here. You see it here is login button. And here you see save online. When you make your circuit and you want to save your circuit online, you have to click on that button. And you want to save it your circuit offline, you have to click on that button. And here is other elements. You put it here for simplicity. Here, first you see the input here. You see an input you use here for your making circuit. You need 0 and 1. Here is the input which you choose in your circuit. Here is a button from on and off, power, ground, constant value. Use your constant value here to which you do not want to change your values. Here you enter your value in binary value of your constant 0 or click here, double click on the constant value and press 1 for changing values. Here is a stepper, random, and counter. We discussed all after in our next videos. Here you see the output. When you need your output of the circuit, you place the output LED lights and hexa display, 7 segment display, and other element. Here you see the gates, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, and NAND gate, and NOR gate, and XNOR gate. You see your all gates are here, which you click on the gate and place it where you want to place. Just click on the gate, place where you want to place, then that way. Here is a decoder and multiplexer, which you see multiplexer, demultiplexer, a bit selector, MSP, LSP, priority encoder, and decoder. You see that elements in the decoder and multiplexer. And other element you see here is the splitter, tri-state, and two complements. Or if you want to input some image in your circuit, here you place image and insert the image in the circuit. If you want to place some text in the circuit, you have to select that. Here is our circuit verse. And if you want to connect the lines, I show you here. If you want to rotate your AND gate, you have see the label here, label and direction. It is in the right direction. If you want to rotate it clockwise, you have to put it down, then left, then right, and then up. In which direction you want to use it, just make the direction here. If you want to connect the lines, just click on the that button a little bit zoom. You see the point here. Click on the point and hold the key, left key, and go and connect to the other point of the other where you want to connect it. Here you see it in that. I little bit zoom out. In the sign in, you see it here. You want to save your circuit online. That way you click on the sign in button. Here you input your email which you use in and password and then click on the you login. If you want to sign up first time, then click on the sign up button here. You see it here. Just click on the sign up button. Then input your name, your email address, that way, and your password here. Then I am not report button where you select the images, crosswalk, and then verify. In that way, you sign up your account simulator. Click on the simulator back again, and that's it for our first video. We learned how to make the circuit, which how to take the elements and see the input properties of the element. You see it here, and sign in, how to sign in, and tools, circuit, project. If you want to help if of anything, how to just you want to help of this better, how is the stepper is work, just click on the help tutorial guide, which will tell all the things. If you click on the user manual, it go and pop up a new window. Here you search all you want to search here. You enter the thing which you want to use and want to know what the work of the thing. I put tri-state, state. Here you see tri-state. You have to okay, click on that, and here you see it's explaining the element here. You enter anything which you want to explain here. Input, it's showing input, and that's it for our first video. And we met again in our next video. Thank you.